Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will see how we can use the different table options which are available to us in SAP HANA Studio. So for this, we'll go to the table where we want to see these options. So we'll expand the schema and we will go to the tables. So let's say if I want to use this article lookup. If I right click here, so we have like three options available, that is the open definition, open content, and then the open data preview. So first of all, we will see what is this open definition. So if we click on the open definition, in this we will be able to see the table name, schema under which that table exists, then what is the type of the table, and after that we can see the definition like what is the column, what all the column types it has, and what all indexes it has. So all these properties we can see under the open definition. After that, if I right click and if I go to the open content, so my open content, what it will do is it will select the top 1000 rows from my selected table. So I can see the table data. So I cannot see the definition here, rather I can see my top 1000 rows for the particular selected table. Now the third option is my open data preview. So if I click on the open data preview, so it is similar to the open content, but in this we have many more options available to us. So we can see first of all the complete data of the table. So in the raw data we can see the complete data. After that we can go to the distinct values. So let's say if I want to see the distinct values of particular column, so I can just click on that column and I can see the distinct values of that particular column. And at the same time it will create the graph which will show me how many times that particular value is appearing under my table. Similarly, if I go to the article label, I can see how many values values are existing and how many times it is appearing. And then the third option we have here is the analysis. So my analysis, using my analysis, I can create the chart, I can create the table, I can create the grid at the drag and drop view. So here we can just simply add the article ID. Similarly, we can add the article label, and the same way we can add the family code. So it will automatically generate the graph. So we can change the graph types, like we have the option of the vertical bar, we have the vertical stack bar. Similarly, we have all these different options of charts available to us. So we can change the chart type from here directly, and we can do the analysis of our data which is available into my table. Similarly, if we go to the table here, so it will show us the data in the tabular form. If we go to the grid, it will show us the data in the form of the grid. Similarly, if we go to the HTML, it will show the data how it will look in the HTML format. Similarly, if I want to save this data, so I can save it as a delimited text file or as a HTML file or as an XML file. So basically I have like different options from the table, which is the open definition, which will show me the definition only and no data. Similarly, if I go to the open content, it will only show me the top 1000 rows. Similarly, if we go to the open data preview, so this is the option using which we can have multiple options available to us. Like we can see the distinct values, we can see the raw data, and we can do the analysis of the data. Like we can create the chart, we can see the data in the grid format. So all these options are available to us in SAP HANA Studio. Thank you.